name of the cafe that you should
Cafe
go to?
Cantante. Cafe Cantante.
And
In front the Plaza Revolution.
see.
That's it.
This one is a DeSoto from 1955. I think it's the last one from this model.
How do you get your parts?
It's really hard because normally it's not easy to find the original parts. So we replace the engine, we replace the transmission, we put a new engine. For example, the engine of this car is a Toyota.
All right, so the most important question that I'm going to probably ask you of the whole day. So who do you like better, Yasiel Puig or Aaron Judge?
Yasiel Puig.
Here's a long drive into center field, and welcome back to Los Angeles, Yasiel Puig.
So you don't hold a grudge against them for leaving the island?
It's in the real life is not no problem. They try to get a better life, nothing more.
What would you say kind of the average take-home salary per month is for a Cuban?
Between $30 and $80. It's hard because you have to survive with $30 in a month. It's complicated.
What's it been like since the cruise ships have stopped coming here?
Wow, you see the difficulty for us.
You know, if Trump opened the doors like we said here, I think it's gonna be good for us, for both American people and Cuban people, you know, and we need to change.